Let's jump right into managing your ad blocker inside the Brave browser on your desktop PC. To get this sorted out, move your mouse up to the top right-hand corner of your screen and click on the three-line hamburger menu icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and you need to scroll down toward the bottom and click on Settings. Once you are inside the main settings page, look over at the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Find the option labeled Shields and click on it. This will change the options in the main center panel. Now, look closely at the middle of the screen and locate the section that says Trackers and Ad Blocking. Right next to it, you will see a drop-down menu that displays your current level of protection. Click on that drop-down box. You will see three options listed here: Aggressive, Standard, and Disabled. Clicking on Disabled will completely turn off the Brave ad blocker. If you want to turn it back on later, you can return here and select either Standard or Aggressive. The important thing is to understand the trade-off with this feature. When you turn off Brave Shields and disable the ad blocker, you allow websites to track your browsing habits and load every single advertisement on the page. In my case, I prefer to keep this set to Aggressive because it speeds up loading times. But disabling it is sometimes necessary if a specific website is broken or refuses to load content correctly. Once you click on Disabled, the browser updates your preferences instantly. You do not need to click a Save button. You can now simply back out of the Settings menu by closing the tab or typing a new web address into the URL bar, and your changes will remain active across your browsing sessions. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.